Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Home Tutor. Today we are watching some compounds and their formulas in this session. Listen carefully and pay attention. First compound is carbon dioxide and its formula CO2. Second compound magnesium oxide and its formula is MgO, sodium chloride, NaCl. This is the formula of sodium chloride. Copper sulfate, CuSO4. Sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid MnO3, sodium hydroxide or risk of this formula NaOH, sulfuric dioxide, sulfur dioxide SO2, water H2O, ammonia gas NH3, sodium chloride NaCl, potassium chloride KCl, carbon dioxide CO2, magnesium chloride MgCl2, hydrogen sulfide H2SO2. So students, now I am completing my session. Namaskar.